Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build a quicksand like this. Help! Help! So this is the instructions. You need some web, water, and soul sand and sand. So I'm gonna go here. You can dig 3 times. First step, all you need to put first is the soul sand. Then water. You're gonna make it bubbles. Double tap it. And web. Like that. Oops. Damn! There. And you need to put the sand. Like that. And they will fall. And also, okay, if you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe and comment down below. We're almost done. In there. Help! Get me out of here! Okay guys, so see you at the next video.